Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my blast from the past Wednesday. This is my very first one and I am so excited. So I went through my collection and I went ahead and decided to start with the Tartelette in Bloom palette. This is one of my favorite palettes and I've just kind of been neglecting it a little bit, so I wanted to bring it back out, and now I remember why I love this palette. So this is the eye look I created using this palette, and I really like how this turned out. So if you guys want to see how I created this eye look, then just keep watching.
For my eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using the Sigma eyeshadow base primer. Going in with the Tartelette in Bloom palette, I'm going to start with the shade Charmer, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. Next, I'm taking the shade Smarty Pants with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be putting this above my crease. I'm going to take the shade Rebel, and I'm going to put this on the outer and inner corner, and then I'm also going to work this into the crease. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Leader, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. Taking the shade Firecracker, I'm going to tap this onto the middle of my lid. Now I'm going to go over Firecracker with Funny Girl. To add just a little bit more depth, I'm going to take Activist, and I'm going to put this only on the outer corner. I'm going to take my liner brush and add the shade Rebel onto the lower lash line. Now using that same liner brush, I'm going to take the shade Leader and put this on the lower lash line as well. Using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the color Perversion, I'm going to put this on my lower waterline. For my lower lashes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. For blush, I'll be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the color Risque. For highlighter, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. This is actually in the color Hustla Baby. finally, for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick in the shade Siesta.
Alright guys, so this is it for the completed look. I hope you like the way that this turned out. It was so much fun working with my Tartelette and Bloom palette again. I think I'm really going to enjoy this series. That way I can go through and get some use out of it. I mean, as you can see, it was loved, but I don't know. I need to show all my palettes some love. So I cannot wait to see which one I decide to use next Wednesday. So yeah, if you guys did like this video, please give it a big ol' thumbs up for me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!